2 standing, 2 kneeling, 2 prone, 15 seconds. So you're charged.
We're charged.
Ready.
On the beat. $50 to the 25, running, 2 standing, 2 kneeling.
12 seconds.
12 seconds. On the beat.
All right, 25 yards, 2 seconds, 1 shot to the face.
All right, you ready?
Ready.
On the beat.
All right. So, moving from the 25 to the 15, 2 to the chest, 6 seconds.
I'm ready. On the beat. $15 to the 10, 3 to the chest. 4 seconds.
Ready?
Right. Ready?
Yeah. Okay.
10 to the 5, 3 chest.
3 chest. Yep.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready. Three seconds. You ready?
Ready?
3 to the chest.
50 yards. 2 standing in the chest of target 1. Reload. 2 kneeling in the chest of target 2. Time 15 seconds.
$25 to 15.
Yep. 2-1. 2 target 2.
Okay. 6 seconds. All right, ready?
Ready?
Oh, I pulled both of those. I pulled both of those so heavily. I don't even want to go up there.
10. First target to the second target, 6 seconds.
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2, 2, 1, 1.
All moving to the 3.
In 6 seconds?
6 seconds.
Is it? Do you have enough time? You feel you have enough time in this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just rip it. I mean, by the time you get halfway there, you're like on top of it. Just rip
True.
the shots.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Oh yeah. 15 seconds.
And make sure you got the bolt closed so you can get a dry fire. You might want to sling it through your arm. Take up a little slack.
So it's 15 dry fire, 2 to the chest, drop down kneeling, 2 to the chest.
Yep.
I might like, when I drop down on my knee, I might just go like this.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Okay.
Alright, alrighty.
Ready?
Ready.
Reload, 2 to the chest.
Yep.
Okay. Ready?
Ready. Actually, hold. Alright. This is light work. Ready.
Ready.
Moving 10 yards to 3 yards. 2 to the chest to target 1. Reload 2 to the chest to target 2. Times 10 seconds.
Perfect. Ready?
Ready. That's it. I got it. Shots. That's it. I got it. I'm out. And I'm out.